Going to the amusement park because it was like the rides were really fun, and then the field trip for the zoo we just walked a lot, so my legs hurt a lot. So the amusement park was really fun.
My favorite field trip is when we go to the amusement park and ride many roller coasters, because I really liked the amusement park because there wasn't many people, so we could ride many rides.
Yes.
My favorite field trip was when I got to the amusement park because I was with my friends and there was a lot of fun rides.
It was field day because I play sports and I liked it. Bye bye.
My favorite field trip was a field day because I like sports, and after the field day I stayed with Daniel, Isaiah, and Jay so I can play with them after the field day was done. And yeah, bye.
My favorite field trip was when we went to the amusement park because we had so many good rides, and I really liked the roller coaster ride.
Zoe, what was your favorite subject this school year?
My favorite subject was science and chapel because Miss Williams planned out a lot of fun experiments, and then chapel because I like learning about God and singing the worship songs.
My favorite subject is PE because I like sports and I like to play sports. My subject is writing because Miss Williams teaches writing so well, and I got improved in writing every day. My favorite subject is PE because I can play with my friends, and also Coach Jimin is very funny. Thank you.
My favorite subject is PE because I like playing sports, and it's a time where we can enjoy and run around. So it's very it's very good for it because I can have freedom and yeah. And then
My favorite subject was PE and science because PE is enjoyable and I can run around a lot, and science is really fun because we get to do experiments. My favorite school event was Christmas, where it was winter break right after, and we had many fun activities.
It was Thanksgiving because we had a lot of fun and we ate turkey, and also Miss Williams somehow did a good bottle flip 10 in a row. After she's gonna be at least 2, but I didn't expect that, so it's very fun.
My favorite school event was Thanksgiving because the food was really good, and then we played really fun games, and then Diva was also there, so it was really fun.
my favorite school event is Thanksgiving because bandworms didn't exist in our class. Also, no one got yellow slip or got in trouble, and we had more activities in Thanksgiving than usual. Activities like Valentine and Christmas. In Thanksgiving we had more activities. We could also eat, give us lunch, the Thanksgiving banquet, and we also did a jeopardy. So it was very fun.
My favorite school event was when we went to field day because we did many sports and we had lots of fun and we had lots of snacks, and the yellow team won, which was fun.
My favorite school event was Thanksgiving because I ate many foods,
and I had jeopardy of Thanksgiving questions. I had very fun. Thank you for listening. Bye. I will take all my memories I had in this year because all the joys I had and those things were fun. And if I go to US and if I think about that, it will be very fun, and I won't forget about that. How about you, Zoe?
I want to take all the things I know about Spanish because I'm going to move to Portugal and then they speak Portuguese there, and my dad says Spanish and Portuguese is really similar, so I think it'll be easier to learn Portuguese.
Yeah, like in Spanish, people they just understand Portuguese very we they just understand it in Ohio.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take my friendship, my memories, and Miss Lily's knowledge because I want to take friendship because I can make many friends, and memories because I can remember all the fun things I did in 5th grade, and Miss Lily's knowledge because I can be smarter. What about you?
I want to bring my happiness and my knowledge because I want to make a lot of friends in my new school, and because I like to make friends. And also I want to bring my knowledge so that I could be smart.
I'll take my English skill to 6th grade because I'm very good at English, but I need to improve more. And your turn.
I will take my happiness that my friends and teacher gave. My favorite field trip is when we go to the amusement park.
Remove my stress.
I had in 5th grade.
Take. Okay, everything.
3, 2.
It was already the wisdom one. My favorite field trip is when
Lemon.
All right. No.
and Hunter can get a video.
I'm making a video.
Hey, me too! I have to get a
I wanna show my Instagram. YouTube. Yeah.